Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson warns of a coming collapse, and Polygon announces some amazing new milestones. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin reclaimed $29,000 overnight into May 4th as the United States banking crisis spawned new victims. Bitcoin had sunk to daily lows at the previous day's Wall Street Open as markets awaited the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. At the same time, more U.S. regional bank stocks were suffering, with the trend remaining as the Fed confirmed its much-anticipated 25 basis point rate hike. One lender, Pacwest Bancorp, reportedly announced that it was considering a buyout, pressuring the regional bank sector even further while boosting havens including Bitcoin. Gold even hit a new all-time high as market commentators criticized the Fed's approach and predicted the end of rate hikes altogether. Michael Vanderpump, founder and CEO of trading firm 8, said the biggest joke is the fact that Jerome Powell says the banking system has improved and is healthy, sound, and resilient. It's the weakest it's ever been, and another few banks are falling apart after market. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of BitMEX, revealed that he was already hunting for failing regional banks. Markets, he argued, could depend on the next move by either Powell or Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, saying you never know what the next trigger is that causes Yellen or Powell to cave and bail everyone out. It's all politics now, and politics is more about power than rational decisions. TED Talks Macro additionally noted that the Fed's fund rate was now at its members' own expected peak.
Before discussing today's meeting, let me comment briefly on recent developments in the banking sector. Conditions in that sector have broadly improved since early March, and the U.S. banking system is sound and resilient.
Share prices of several United States regional banks tanked in after-hours trading on May 3rd, despite Federal Chair Jerome Powell calling the banking sector sound and resilient just hours before. One such regional bank, Pacwest Bancorp, fell a whopping 52.5% in after-hours trading after Bloomberg reported that the bank would explore strategic options on May 4th. It has been seen by some as another bank to potentially fall amid a U.S. banking crisis. The bank is reportedly considering a sale or capital raising. Meanwhile, Western Alliance Bancorp, Metropolitan Bank, and Home Street were among the other hardest-hit regional banks. Metropolitan Bank once offered services to crypto firms, but closed its digital asset vertical in January because the firm wasn't content with how the cryptocurrency industry was developing. Western Alliance Bancorp also integrated blockchain-based payment solutions for its clients based on the firm's blockchain and digital asset branch. Amazon is set to launch its NFT marketplace by May 15th, according to Web3 enthusiast and NFT collector Moritz. The world's largest online retailer has been tight-lipped on the matter, making no official announcement on rumors. Details of an Amazon NFT marketplace first surfaced from Blockworks back in January, stating the platform will focus on blockchain gaming and associated in-game NFT collectibles. Since then, other outlets have added to the details, including Yahoo Finance, which mentioned linking non-fungibles to physical products for delivery and having 15 collections to trade by the launch date. Yahoo Finance also stated that Amazon accounts could serve as NFT wallets, thus bypassing the need for dedicated crypto wallets like MetaMask. If true, this move signals a focus on newbie collectors rather than those already familiar with NFTs and cryptocurrency. Moritz said that there is a lack of official details, meaning nothing is 100% confirmed yet. However, he stated that NFTs could be paid for using standard payment methods, similar to any other Amazon purchases. Likewise, the NFTs are storable in the user's Amazon account. He also claimed Amazon would launch its own private blockchain that's interoperable with Ethereum, Avalanche, and Chainlink, with plans to integrate more blockchains in the future. The platform will launch in the US to begin with and be called Amazon Digital Marketplace. However, an eventual global rollout is expected. Comparing Coinbase's 9 million monthly active users to Amazon's significantly larger 197 million, Moritz said that Amazon has a greater potential for success with NFTs versus Coinbase, especially as Amazon is gearing towards an untapped client base. Amazon not only has far more users, but they also have a completely different audience. And they come with a solution that makes the user experience far better, as most people don't want to self-custody. Despite Moritz's prediction of a slow start for the Amazon digital marketplace, he still considered the venture a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency industry, calling it a huge step for our space. Gate.io and MexC Global announced they'll be listing the Affyn token for trading on May 5th. The Singapore-based startup Affyn confirmed the listing on exchanges a year after initially launching on Bitmart. Deposits are now open for Affyn in preparation for Affyn USD and Affyn USDT trading pairs, according to Gate.io and MexC. Withdrawals will be enabled once trading is live tomorrow. Affyn has been one of the most visited and searched tokens in the cryptocurrency industry over 2022, gaining widespread attention and demand after the initial Bitmart listing. Affyn is a crypto startup building a blockchain-powered metaverse with free-to-play interoperable games and metaverses. Affyn's global community of creators help create sustainable sustainable in-game economies by merging virtual and real worlds. Affyn aims to empower their community through cross-world utility and asset ownership. In 2022, Affyn introduced Nexus World as its first metaverse. Lucas Lee, Affyn's founder and CEO, said, "Our platform provides numerous valuable revenue streams for users, and the Affyn token offers real-world utility, enabling players to convert to real items, lifestyle products, and travel in the real world." Since then, Affyn has unveiled Singapore as its first Nexus World city launch, with 2,000 plots of freehold land claimed in just over 2 hours, and successfully launched in London, Dublin, and Glasgow. We also recently had a Twitter Spaces interview with Affyn, which you can find linked down below, along with articles on our website about Affyn and the Nexus World. Co-founder of Polygon, Sandeep, recently tweeted, 4 large-scale things happened in the Polygon ecosystem in the last 10 days. Number 1, Google announced its support for Polygon Supernets and committed to supporting startups on Polygon in a joint fund with Polygon Labs. Number 2, Sotheby's launched their NFT marketplace on Polygon. Number 3, Sports Illustrated launched their ticketing platform on Polygon. And number 4, Franklin Templeton, a $1.4 trillion financial sector giant, is going to tokenize large-scale regulated financial products on Polygon. Polygon emerged as the second largest gaming blockchain following the surge in user activity in March, and Polygon became the second largest blockchain gaming network, overtaking Hive with 138,000 unique active wallets engaging with games on the platform in March. Now, my question to you guys is, do you think all of these new partnerships will affect the price of MATIC in the long term? Also, did you know we made a video about how much MATIC could make you a millionaire? You can find that video linked in the description below. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said he would rather be a crypto guy than a banker right now. During an appearance on Fox Business, Hoskinson shared his thoughts on the current banking crisis and its impact on the cryptocurrency world.
The markets are holding steady and stable. I mean, overall, we've been recovering since 2022 in the FTX crisis, and it's going to take a little bit more time for it to clear out, but I'd rather be a crypto guy than a banker right now.
Really? Are people losing interest in crypto?
Crypto is okay. Banks, not so much.
Why? Tell me about the banks.
Well,
First Republic?
Yeah, 2008, we had $373 billion in tied up assets. I think we're over $540 billion now. Just in the 2023 crisis, we're just getting started. I mean, that whole business model is falling apart when you give it a little bit of a push and then you lose these institutions like SVB, and they get so politicized and they get so globalized and they kind of get pushed into different philosophies. So it's nice to be in crypto land where things are simple and pure and you can just focus on building.
At the same time, he criticized the inconsistent approach adopted by US regulators, saying that's just how it is here. With that, he accepted that the US crypto firms would need to focus on overseas markets from now on. Over the last 6 months, Cardano TVL has been consistently increasing. Currently, the 7-day moving average sits at $154 million, a number that's not been seen since May 2022. Messari has just released the State of Avalanche Q1 2023 research report with some interesting findings. The Avalanche mainnet was launched in September 2020 and featured the release of a multi-chain framework utilizing 3 chains: the P, X, and C chains. Each chain plays a critical and unique role within the Avalanche ecosystem while providing the same capabilities of a single network. After a turbulent 2022 with macroeconomic headwinds, the crypto market rebounded in January and demonstrated resilience through the quarter's end. Total transaction fees paid in AVAX increased 10.8% quarter over quarter, up 25.9% in USD terms. Along with the crypto market relief rally in January, TVL denominated in USD increased by 4.2% quarter over quarter. However, TVL denominated in AVAX declined 34.3%, suggesting an asset price increase in USD rather than new capital inflow. BenKey liquid staking TVL grew by 88.6% quarter over quarter to $100 million by the end of Q1, and Vector Finance, a yield optimization platform, increased by 50% quarter over quarter to $36 million. Nearly all of the DeFi applications on Avalanche benefited from the market rebound throughout Q1, and Avalanche's most prominent protocol by TVL denominated in USD, Aave, was down 5% quarter over quarter, but BenKey Lending, Trader Joe, and GMX grew by 49, 24, and 70% respectively. While Aave's TVL was down, there remained concentrated risk in the lending application. Aave made up 43% or $432 million of Avalanche's DeFi TVL by the end of Q1. That said, Avalanche saw a significant development in expanding DeFi beyond Aave with their proposal to launch Uniswap, with the proposal passed, and Uniswap is expected to launch on Avalanche in Q2. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.